Hello and welcome to Belly Timber House. If your kids don't like vegetables or they find a way to get away from any sort of green vegetable, then this recipe is definitely going to solve all your problems. Today I am going to show you how to make veg calzone without yeast. So let's start with the dough. First we need half cup of plain curd or yogurt and add 1 cup of flour to it. You can replace it with whole wheat flour if you want. Now add 1 teaspoon of baking powder and half teaspoon salt to it. Now I have got this question many times that what is the difference between baking powder and baking soda. So basically baking powder puffs and baking soda spreads. That's why here I have chosen baking powder. Now mix it well and make a dough. If required, add 1 tablespoon of water and make a soft dough. Now put some flour on your workstation and knead the dough for about a minute. Now let it rest and move on to the stuffing. I am going to show you two types of stuffing today. For first stuffing, we will take 1 tablespoon of butter in a pan and let the butter melt. After melting the butter, add 1 cup of cabbage and 1 cup of spinach to it. Here I am using purple cabbage. You can also use green cabbage if you want. You can also add any kind of green vegetables like broccoli, kale or any leafy vegetable. Now add half teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of black pepper to it. Stir it well and cook it until it becomes dry. It has been 5 minutes now and it is completely dry, so let it cool down and move on to the other stuffing. For that, we will take 1 tablespoon of butter in a pan. Once the butter is melted, add 1 teaspoon of chopped garlic and stir it well. Stir it for 10 to 15 seconds. Now add 1 small chopped onion and cook it for a minute. Now add half cup of corn and 1/4 cup of green bell pepper and 1 cup of spinach to it and stir it well. Now add half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup and 1/4 teaspoon of chili flakes to it. Now cook it until it becomes dry. Now let it cool down. Now put some flour on your bench and divide the dough into 2 equal parts. For the first part, flatten the dough using rolling pin and fill the stuffing vertically. Now add 1 cup of cheese to it. Here I am using shredded mozzarella cheese. You can use any cheese of your choice. Now cut the boundaries like the video shown above. Now fold each strip in such a way that it covers the filling. It's okay if it doesn't cover the whole stuffing. It's going to puff later. Now brush it with some melted butter and keep it in a greased pan carefully. For the other part of the dough, flatten it using rolling pin. Now fill the corn stuffing vertically and add 1 cup of cheese to it. Here I am using shredded mozzarella cheese. You can use any cheese of your choice. Now do the same process which we have done for the first part of the dough. Now keep the pan in a preheated oven for 15 to 20 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Bake them until they become slightly brown in color. If you are using whole wheat flour, then it's going to take approximately 5 more minutes. As you can see that our calzones are perfectly baked. I hope you like this recipe. If you have any doubt about the recipe, do let me know in the comment section. If you are new to my channel and if you haven't subscribed it yet, please do it now. And make sure you hit the bell icon for more recipes.